go whenever you're ready.
That's better than the sink.
That's the cat. Is that Fisher?
Yeah. It's okay, kitty.
Should I get some water and pour it on her? Can I? Oh, Can I pour some water on her?
Hold on, let her get...
It's okay, kitty.
No.
Kitty. Christina, watch out.
Yeah, she might bite.
It's okay.
Jenny, don't flip out if she does bite you.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's alright.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I think we're hurting her.
Okay,
No,
now
but
start putting
listen.
water over her.
You just don't want to be in the water.
Push your face.
This is your body.
It's okay, kitty. It's okay. You're fine. It's okay.
You stink. Oh, look her face.
Whoa. Holy smoke.
Alright,
She still needs to get more wet.
Wash the water.
Kitty, it's fine. Just water.
It's okay, kitty.
Oh, sorry, Mama. I just don't want her to scratch me.
Did she bite you?
No, she's almost thought she's going to.
It's okay, kitty.
Now get up to her.
Oh, it's okay. Just water.
Alright, kitty.
I don't like to see her
She's
suffer.
not suffering, though.
She just doesn't like it. I just don't like her meowing.
It's alright.
Should I get her head or no?
No.
Kitty, it's oh. And now she's not wet.
Alright, soap.
It's okay.
It's okay, kitty.
Just
Okay,
go.
okay.
Water.
No.
It's alright, kitty.
Oops. I
What?
don't want her to bite me.
Okay,
Kitty!
Mama, don't
I
dump
don't
out the water,
want
Bubba, dump that water out. You can get it again, but I just don't want you to spill it in case you gotta get out. Is she gonna bite you?
Yeah, I think so.
Kitty, big. I know you don't like the water, but still. You're fine.
I know.
It's okay, kitty. It's alright.
Okay, no, I don't want her to get anxious and bite me.
Kitty.
I know.
It's okay, kitty. Water now?
Get the
Give me some soap.
some more soap
Yeah.
Oh, that is it, kitty.
in your hand, or
Oh, naughty kitty. Are you videotaping this?
what do you want?
Hold on, no. No, not I'm wearing a coat.
Kitty, different look.
I'm gonna get you right now if you want some.
Kitty, it's okay. It's okay, kitty. It's okay. It's fine. No! Whoa!
Did she bite you?
No.
Oh!
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I know.
So cute. No! Wildcat!
It's okay, kitty. Christina, I need water. Start dumping water all on her body.
I'm trying.
I know.
No!
Now, what do you want, a towel, or you need?
I got one on the toilet seat.
Not anymore. Oh, no.
Shit.
There you go. I'll still be rinsed out now.
Okay.
Is that good? If you want it, can I block?
Someone bring your hands down her body.
You just don't want to write it.
She won't. More pressure. Go on her tail.
Kitty, kitty, it's
Okay,
okay.
you got the towel?
Yep, just bring her right over and we'll wrap her right up.
Kitty, kitty, try.
You ready? Oh, she tried to bite me. Okay, stop. You ready?
Yep.
She's doing like this.
Dear.
Can I see her?
Dear, you
No, we gotta do